What's the meaning of brinkmanship? Brinkmanship. Brinkmanship.
Brinkmanship. Brinkmanship. Brinkmanship refers to the practice of pushing dangerous situations to the brink of disaster in order to achieve a desired outcome. This term is often used in international politics, where leaders may engage in brinkmanship tactics to achieve their goals. However, this strategy can backfire and lead to disastrous consequences, such as war or economic collapse. The result of brinkmanship can thus vary greatly depending on the situation and the actors involved, but it generally carries a high degree of risk and uncertainty. Leaders who engage in brinkmanship must be willing to take bold risks and accept the potential consequences of their actions.